If you're in marketing, you spend a lot of time trying to understand your customers, getting feedback, and trying to optimize the experience. But what if most of what you know about your customers is actually wrong? Not because you're not trying, but because you've been working with the wrong data. Before I explain, hit like and subscribe for more on how to actually understand your customers. Here's what I mean. The average website survey response rate is around 8%, according to Delighted. The other 92% never filled in the survey. They just left. Now here's the first specific marketing problem. There's no link between that feedback and what actually drives conversion. For example, if 12% of users gave you a 6 or below on your post-purchase NPS survey, you don't know if those are the people who abandoned checkout or the ones who bought twice that month. The second problem is timing. A post-purchase survey sent 48 hours after checkout is asking someone to remember how they felt 2 days ago. By the time responses land in a report, you're 3 weeks out from whatever happened. The campaign has already moved on. This is why marketing teams keep discovering issues in retrospect. The third problem is structure, and it's also the easiest one to fix. Your customers are already telling you everything you need to know. Every week, customers tell you why campaigns succeed or fail, a coupon code that didn't apply, a checkout error on mobile, a landing page that didn't answer their question. But that feedback is scattered across support chats, reviews, and emails with no way to read it all systematically. The insight is already there, sitting in your conversation data, but it might as well be invisible. This is exactly what conversation intelligence is built to solve, using the data you already have. Conversation intelligence automatically ingests every customer conversation, support chats, emails, call transcript, public reviews, and structures them. It categorizes each conversation by contact reason, sentiment, and resolution, and it connects that to behavioral data, what the customer was doing on your site before and after they reached out. For the first time, marketing can see the direct link between what customers said and what they did. This means you can quantify the revenue impact of fixing a friction point, not estimating it. Our benchmarks show that this can translate to a between 3 and 6% conversion uplift. Say conversion drops and support conversations spike at the same time. Conversation intelligence connects those two signals, tells you it's a broken promo code, and shows you exactly which users were affected. Now you've made their experience less frustrating by sending them the corrected offer and kept them from going to a competitor. Not all conversation intelligence tools work the same way. In the next video, we'll show you what Contentsquare does differently and why it matters. Explore Contentsquare's conversation intelligence using the link in the description.